Hi everyone, this video will introduce you to 2 effortless ways to reduce video file size. A smaller file size saves more storage space, enables faster video uploads, and achieves smoother video streaming. Method 1. Reduce video file size with MiniTool Video Converter. Launch MiniTool Video Converter on your computer. Switch to the Compress Video tab. Click on the Add Files option to upload the video file. Click on the Settings icon to access the compression settings window. Drag the red slider to adjust the output file size. Expand the Format option and select an output format. Click on the Preview button to check the compression level. Click on the OK button to save the changes. Click on Compress to start compression. When the file compression ends, click on the folder icon to locate the compressed video. Method 2. Reduce video file size with MiniTool MovieMaker. Launch MiniTool MovieMaker. Click New Project to enter its main interface. Click the Import Media Files option to locate the video file, and click Open to import it. Directly drag and drop the video file onto the timeline. Click the Export option in the Player section. Set an output format. Choose a frame rate. Select a resolution. Check the estimated file size in the lower left to make sure it satisfies your needs. Click the Export button to save the compressed video. Click on Find Target to locate the compressed video. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.